Get me high like you do. Till my heart go bada, Buddha, biddy-da-do, Buddha, bada, Buddha, biddy-da-do. It just won't stop, it go bada, Buddha, biddy-da-do, Buddha. And my heart go bada, Buddha, biddy-da-do. It just won't stop, you know. Oh. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Oh my gosh, it's been like forever. You know what? Alright, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been forever. I have been gone, MIA, lost. So today I'm just basically gonna do another hair review from, I believe, the same hair company. It's crazy. From West's Hair. Check it out, check it out, check it out. This is their Brazilian body wave, I believe, and I got the inches 16. No, I didn't get 16. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? If you guys see my eyelashes coming off, it's because my eyelashes coming off. I didn't glue them right. The inches are 18, 20, and 222. So the frontal is 18, and I bought 3 bundles, 120 and 222s. So this is how it looks. And I think I've had this hair for like a month now. So I mean, that's not like the best hair review I can possibly give, but I do have some cons, so it doesn't matter. So let me just go into the pros. When I got the hair was super soft. It had the little nice body wave pattern that everyone freaking loves. When I washed it, no problems. When I detangled it, no problems. When I put it on my head, no problems. I don't know, like a couple weeks after, so like 2 or 3 weeks after, it started to knot. So like when I brushed his hair, it just, I don't know, maybe it's because I have like leftover product in the hair, I don't know, but like you see how like it tangles a bit? It's starting to tangle, and I don't know, maybe it's because it's hot outside. It's like middle of August, not middle of August, it's the beginning of August, and like, yeah, but it just tangles. It does tangle a bit. It's just one of my cons, like it tangles. Another one of my cons is definitely the lace. If you could tell, I'm wearing this thing on my head right now, not on purpose, by accident, but it just made it look cool. It's like a look. This is but it definitely makes it look like a look. It's a look, but yeah, I don't know if the lace may be too big for my head or for my shape, or I just didn't put the lace front on properly, but it does lift a lot. I barely get any shedding from this hair ever. People like it a lot. It looks very nice. It's very full. I look very like majestic in this hair. Like, come for me, come for me, come for me. You know. So yeah, that's basically it. I mean, it's not much of a review, but I just like wanted to get this out of the way because it was on my head anyway. If I could recommend this to a friend, I would recommend this to a friend. I'll probably give this 8 out of 10. Yeah, I would probably give this hair 8 out of 10. It's not a 10 out of 10, but it's pretty close to an 8 out of 10. So yeah, I got this hair within a week. Most AliExpress or like Chinese vendors, they usually bring the hair within a week. It doesn't take long for the hair to come to you. It literally took a week. It came in a DHL packaging. It was nothing really special. It was nothing special about the hair. Like, it was nothing like crazy special. I mean, it gave me a free scrunchie, which is nice because I always lose my scrunchies. But that's basically it. They just gave it in a DHL package and with the hair inside of it, with the invoice and a scrunchie. Yeah, you see, this hair just, it tangles. It just tangles a lot. And I mean, I guess that's expected because it is body wave hair, and I have manipulated it a lot. Like I've curled it, I've curled it, I've faked curled it, I've done a lot to this hair. I don't know, it probably needs a really good wash right now, because the way this hair tangles is like crazy. It is crazy. Okay, so that's basically my hair review. If you want to see more videos or me talking about hair, I think we'll be doing more hair videos than anything, because people do ask where I get my hair from, where I purchase my stuff at, and etc on Instagram. If you haven't followed me on Instagram yet, follow me on Instagram. It will be in the description box below, or probably be at the bottom of this video. Don't be a hater, just follow and subscribe. You already know what it is. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. So, but I'm back though. I'm back. And hide the man, I'm back. About to steal your man, I'm back. And hide the man, I'm back. About to steal your man. What?